number 2. From the blue corner, Alex Asio. And fighting from the red corner, Israel Balisacan. And when the action begins, your referee in charge, Rayson Obias.
Our referee in charge, Rayson, referee Rayson. And this is our second bout. And we are on the way. Bakbaka na.
Baka na.
Alex Asio wearing the blue tag and Israel Balisacan red tag. Alex Asio.
Simula pa lang, medyo they really wanna...
Asio, dami ng binabato ni Asio. Balisacan trying to go for a jab and a straight. Mabibigat yung mga suntok ni Asio. So he's trying to go for a knockout here.
Oh, but Balisacan
An
just
early
rushed that
knockout.
off.
Yeah. Hindi lang naglaland. Ayun, umabot. Pumasok siya yung overhand. Ang saya na okay. Oh, alam mo, Tito JC, okay na crowd ang camps. Alam mo bakit?
Yes.
Bawat bato ng suntok, sumasabay.
May reaction. You know that they are watching closely.
Kahit na hindi tumama.
Yes.
Kaya naman ang URCC bumalik dito sa pangalawang pagkakataon. Alex Asio trying to take Balisacan down.
Asio pinning Balisacan again,
against the fence.
Against the fence.
Asio. Etong si Balisacan trying to gain control over Asio. And
okay.
Nakawala ang dalawa from that position.
Very good punch there from Asio.
Inaabot na naman ni Asio.
Straight there from Asio.
Pero nagkasabay doon ito JC ha.
Dito rin makikita kung gaano kakuna itong dalawa na ito eh. From where we are.
Successful
Narinig
takedown.
natin kung gaano ka bigat yung mga suntok na yun. Saka yung mga strikes na yun in
A
general.
successful takedown by Alex Asio.
We'll see if he will be able to control this and fully bring Balisacan to the ground.
Alam mo, kanina pa niya ina-attempt yan. And the second, and this time, it's a successful, almost successful takedown by Asio. And Balisacan trying to regain control over Asio.
He's trying his best to get out of this position.
We heard that exchanges here. 10 seconds remaining para sa ating first round. Balisacan now trying to do the flip. And that's it for our first round. Not much of an action. Pero nakita natin almost successful takedown attempt by Asio.
So far, this first round had more action.
And dumadaplis yung mga dumadaplis yung mga overhand punches ni Asio against Balisacan. Pero itong si Balisacan, nakaka-counter din naman.
Yes. What's really interesting in this bout is, yun nga, from where we are seated, rinig na rinig natin kung gaano kalakas tumatama yung mga suntok. Pero, these guys are still standing. They are definitely warriors. Ito mga nanonood dito sa venue ng live are definitely,
And nakakatuwa na yung nakakatuwa na yung mga kababayan natin dito sa Camsur, dito sa loob ng Fuerte Camsur Sports Complex.
Second out.
Ay akala mo talagang involved sila doon sa laban.
Oo Parang natatamaan din sila ng mga suntok at sipa
Lalo na mamaya sa mga susunod na laban. Ako po. And second round is on the way.
This is round number 2.
Round number 2 is on the way. Round number 2, bakbaka na. It's Alex Asho,
This
the
is
blue
where,
corner, and
this is where the actual
Israel
action
Balisacan.
happens. Tapos na ang pakiramdaman, dito na nagsisimula ang matinding bakbakan.
madalas yan, round 2. Yan na yan.
Oo.
Nagkasalubong pa ng punches doon.
Mm.
Si Balisacan gustong bumawi.
Oo.
Dahil kanina, left hook to the body of Asho.
Asho pressing Balisacan sa cage, pero as a fence. Pero Balisacan trying to control that, making sure na
Ang ganda,
he gets lesser damage.
Ang ganda ng left hook to the body of Asho, yung binato kanina ni Balisacan. Ngayon, Alex Asho trying to bring Balisacan down.
So far, yun na.
Wala pa rin. Hindi pa rin
Wala pa
natuloy
rin.
yan. Almost successful takedown,
Oo.
pero hindi pa rin natuloy yun. We can hear the corner of Alex.
Oo. From beside us.
And they're telling him to go for that sweep.
Yep.
And nangyari na yung
Nagkapalit.
yung palitan. And we can see Balisacan smiling.
Oo.
Israel Balisacan and Alex Asho. Good counter, yeah.
Good. Pumawi naman doon si Balisacan. ito na. Si Asho again brought Balisacan to the fence. Dito niya talaga gusto gawin.
He really wants to bring the fight to the
Oo.
ground. Medyo naramdaman niya yung mga counter punches ni Balisacan kanina. And in fairness, it was very precise. Hindi lang naglaland ng solid.
Yes.
Wala tayo masyado nakikita
Wala
action.
masyadong action eh. There we go. Naghiwalay na.
10 seconds remaining para sa ating second round.
Balisacan still on the move forward kesa dito kay Asho ngayon.
And that's the end of our second round. It's Alex Asho para sa ating blue corner and Israel Balisacan para sa ating red corner. Kita natin kanina, no? Talagang yung lakas ni Alex Asho, he was really utilizing that his strength.
Yes.
Kasi kita niya na yun yung advantage niya
Oo.
over Israel Balisacan.
And I'm sure nababasa niya na medyo because he's landing better.
Para niyang sinasagasaan etong si Balisacan. Pero yung nakikita natin kanina, no? From the middle part or from the other side ng cage, makikita mo talagang natutulak ni etong ni Alex Asho. Etong si Balisacan papunta sa fence.
Nakita natin na
Seconds out, seconds out.
Israel Balisacan is being cornered by his brother Arsenio Balisacan. Sign of respect for the third and final round. Nagkamay pa sila bago magsimula.
And of course, sportsmanship.
Yes.
Isa sa pinakamagalang ng mga atleta, naniniwala ako, ay ang mga MMA fighters.
Oh, yes.
Dahil we all know, of course, all athletes, lahat yan pinaghihirapan nila yan bago sila lumaban.
This is round number 3.
Our third and final round between Alex Asho Jr. and Israel Balisacan. Balisacan trying to start strong. Medyo
Ito yung sinasabi natin kanina.
si Asho.
Ayan,
But Asho
nakakabawi.
is not giving up without a fight. Literal na palitan ng mukha. Ito nangyari itong dalawang
Knee to the body of Asho. Umaatras si Asho dahil inabot siya ng tuhod. And now Balisacan.
He knew he got hurt there.
Asho was tagged
Mhm.
by those punches and knee to the body. Tingnan natin.
Balisacan believes he's on to something dito sa third round, coming into the third round.
If Asho will not be able to recover from this position and Balisacan continues to land those punches, this will be the end of the fight. Pero nakikita naman natin, medyo nakaka-recover ulit itong si Asho. Pero yun lang, hindi siya tinitigilan ni Balisacan ngayon. Balisacan on top position. Nasa baba ngayon si Asho. And Asho, he tagged Balisacan with a left hook. Rinig na rinig ko yung suntok na yun.
Oh, napakalakas ng tunog from where we're seated at. I mean, we're in cage side, pero ibang side ng fence to. Ganong kalakas.
Mhm.
Ganong kalutong yung mga patama ng mga suntok dito. If you're
Yeah.
watching and near the area, pumunta kayo dito. I'm sure you're...
Ito na ang ating third and final round. Alex Asho still trying to control, and we have to respect this man. He recovered from that position, and yun, inabot na naman ng left punches.
Medyo napapansin ni referee na si Balisacan yata.
Kumakapit sa fence. Oo.
That's a big no-no. Hindi pwede yan.
A knee to the groin of Alex Asho.
Medyo na low blow. Accidental low blow.
Accidental low blow.
Our referees gonna check on it. Antay tayo ng medic. Injury time muna for now.
Alex Asho will be given 3 minutes to recover.
Sa lakas ng mga patama nun, considering na low blow, alam natin kung nakasakit yan.
Oo, napakasakit.
Oh,
Yung mga ating mga viewers sa ating live streaming sa ating URCC Facebook page. This bout is our second match for the evening. Dito lamang po yan sa URCC Kaugma Collision 2. And you are watching our second bout. It's Alex Asho versus Israel Balisacan. And the crowd,
starting to stand up again.
the crowd appreciating how Alex Asho recovered from that low blow.
I mean, di ba bakit naman hindi? I mean,
Masakit yan, syempre.
a low blow sa low blow. Hitting the family jewels is not a good experience. Kaya, okay na. Nag-signal na si Alex Asho kay referee. Good na siya. We'll see how this fight goes.
Sakto yung pagkakatuod na yun. Israel Balisacan given a warning by our referee. And here we go, we're continuing for this third and final round. Alex Asho wearing the blue tag, and of course, Israel Balisacan wearing the red tag.
Kick there.
Pinagpag lang ang leg kick.
Pinagpag lang.
10
That's
seconds.
Balisacan sending a message.
Let's see it, Alex Asho. And that's the end of the third and final round. Inaabot pa, no?
Si Alex Asho.
Ayan ang tunay na bakbakan.
Oo. Warriors giving their everything until the end of the fight. Sabi nga natin, anything can happen in the fight. Tingnan natin yan. That was a very clean tag from Alex Asho. Nasa hook si Alex.
Siyempre,
Props to these fighters. Napakaganda nung
and I'm sure ang ating mga viewers ngayon, natutuwa sila sa napanood nila.
oo.
Ang ganda ng palitan. Ang ganda ng kanilang bakbakan.
Now we wait for announcement of the winner.
We go to the judges' scorecard for decision. And again, we would like to thank our governor here sa Camarines Sur, Governor El Rey Villafuerte, and of course, Congressman Luigi Villafuerte. And of course, binabati rin natin si Congressman Mix Villafuerte. Maraming salamat po for bringing URCC here sa Camarines Sur para sa Kaugma Collision 2.
It's a huge honor to be part, syempre, of the Kaugma Festival.
Yung Kaugma.
Pili ka Marines.
Napakasaya. Alam mo, Tito JC, isa itong Kaugma Festival sa nakita kong masaya na festival
Yes.
dito sa Pilipinas. Of course, marami naman tayong festival sa
Oo.
Pilipinas. Pero this is one of the best festival I've seen here in our country. You know why? You know why? Ask me why.
Bakit nga ba?
Ang daming entertainments na ginagawa sa isang buong linggo ng festival dito sa Camarines Sur.
After 3 rounds of action, we go to your scorecards. Your winner via unanimous decision. From the blue corner, Alex Asio.
And there you go! Your winner by unanimous decision, Alex Asio.
Jr.
Ayun nga yung sinasabi ko kanina. Tanungin mo kung bakit.
Bakit nga?
Kasi nga, ang dami for imagine for 1 week